tiniest lumberyard ever. So I've used these materials before in my half-scale miniatures, and I thought that I would show you what these would look like in real life so that you could decide what applications they might be for. And so this one is the biggest one. This is probably an outdoor application. This is 14 centimeters, so it look like this. 14 centimeters by 14. Definitely outdoor application, I think, unless you were going to make maybe let's say a table lamp. Okay, you could cut that off. You could make a table lamp out of it, one of those nice big square ones. This piece, it's quite wide, obviously. It's 50 centimeters. It goes off of my board here. It's only 7 centimeters thick. I kind of looked at this and I thought, that might be sort of nice for paneling for a wall, but it's obviously way, way thicker than actual paneling would be. This could be used, for, say, a tabletop, right? 7 centimeters is not that bad for a tabletop. Or you could put, a couple of these together for a bigger table. Now we're getting into some definite furniture options for you here. This one is actually 10 centimeters, okay, by 5. So this one would be nice for the sides of a bed, the part that holds the box spring or holds the mattress on the side of the bed. This one is a bamboo skewer. These are easy to find and very inexpensive. This one is actually 7 centimeters diameter, and that has a lot of great applications. You've got a nice thick leg for furniture. I use this as the pole to support the chair when I made the seat part of my office chair. These, if cut in half lengthwise, could be nice for flooring because what you're looking at here is about 22 centimeters, okay, by 5. So that's pretty thick for flooring. And I mean, if you cut that in half, you could maybe use these for pieces for a nice hardwood floor. And this is just your plain old popsicle stick. Easy. Then my favorites, okay? I use toothpicks for everything. This guy is smaller. This is actually a bamboo toothpick. At first I was really disappointed because it was smaller. I had gotten it on Temu, and I wasn't so happy about that. But then I realized this actually would be about 3 centimeters. Well, that's not bad for some applications. And if we round up, this is your regular toothpick, and that one would be about 5 centimeters. Thin, oh my goodness. So I had made 2 projects where I was sanding these things like a mad woman, and then discovered that they make square toothpicks. So that and that are about the same size, more or less. By the time you get done sanding this, it would be approximately the same. These are beautiful, all kinds of things. Table legs, your floor lamps, your, oh my gosh, the footstool, I put it on a footstool. I've used these for darn near everything. Finally, we have some big pieces of lumber here. So this is the nicest one. I like working with this a lot if you need the grain. And this is a little bit difficult to cut with your utility knife, but it's nice grain. And this would be a 3 centimeter depth, okay, or, thickness rather. So you've got your 3 centimeters. This can be used for a nice quality tabletop. This could be used in a bookcase. This could be used in a lot of different furnitures. A break front, the thickness. This is really great for a lot of stuff if you want it to be wood. Now, this is half of the thickness. This is about 1.5 Okay, it's very thin. The thing about this is basswood. I found this to be pretty expensive. This one is white. I didn't do that, but it does come in some different colors. Personally, you know, this, it's like if you have to have that wood grain, you would buy this. Otherwise, it's just a little bit expensive when you could just use something like this. It's about the same thickness. You've got your cardboard. If it's not going to show, just use your cardboard. This one has, you know, the white side in case you don't want the brown color to show through. But anyway, those are your basics. That'll give you all kinds of stuff to work with, especially toothpicks. Those are my favorite. So maybe that'll help you out. And thanks for watching, and please subscribe.